Alrighty guys, how's it going today? So it's a very pissy, crappy day. We got the new cord. There it is. Brandy new. And my hose clamps. And we are on the GoPro. I'm going to try the GoPro out this time for putting up this cord. I never really did a video on how I put them up. So we're going to do it this time. And I do apologize ahead of time. The lens might get a little wet because it's kind of misting, so I may have to stop every few minutes and wipe my lens. So yeah, I got the hose clamps and I have my little ratchet screwdriver ratcheting thing with the correct whatever you want to call that thing on the tip there. So little driver thingy. There's one thing, I ordered the cord, and I had ordered the 6-piece pick set. I didn't get the picks. I don't know why. They were not in the package. I'm thinking maybe it's coming by a different truck, a different UPS truck. So I don't know when that one will show up. If I don't get anything by Friday, I may have to call Northern Tool and be like, you forgot my picks. I already paid for them, so all they gotta do is ship them out, you know. So I don't know what you guys are seeing. So yeah, I don't have any power in my shop yet. I'm trying to see how my GoPro looks to you guys. You can probably see my reflection. I'm wearing the hat, my hat backwards, and I got that hat clip on. I seem to enjoy that a lot more. It's a lot more comfortable for me. So hopefully you guys are going to be able to see this. I may just, depending on how long this video is, I may just speed it up because it's going to take me a long time to run all this 100-foot line. Yeah, this will just simply take me a while. So I may just speed it up. And depending, I don't know, it really all just depends. I'm not going to really do a lot of talking because I'm just going to want to get done, just videotape and get done. So let's just get on with that. It's misting out, like I said, so I do apologize for any wet spots that may be on my lens. I will wipe it every now and then. So this is a brand new cord. And hopefully you can see my new satellite dish there on top of my roof. So far that's been kind of a pain in the ass to use, that DirecTV, but I've been okay with it. So let's start routing this bad boy. Kitty in the window. Hi baby, how you doing? So we'll stretch it out. For now we'll just plug it in. There we go. Oh yeah, I need my shit. Oh, I suppose it's not here. I'll have to look for that. Shit. Oh well, fuck it. Oh, what's the deal here? Come on. Should have put my gloves on. Everything's gonna get wet. I'll just stop there for now, because I have to route this. Hey, kitty. What are you doing? Oh shit. You prick. cold out. Yeah, so I was going to talk a little bit about this here DirecTV stuff here quick. We're not getting our basic channels. I don't know why, but we're not. So I called called DirecTV back up, and of course they were trying to do stuff like resetting the boxes and whatnot, because I think that was probably the issue, and apparently they can do it throughout the satellite, I guess, or whatever. They don't have to send the guy down here to reset them, which our last company never had to do that either. They could have done that throughout the fiber optic line, but yeah, so I got a tree branch right in my fucking neck. So, okay, now I got a little problem here. Issue of not getting it over. I might need my stick to do that one, boys. That's why you have a stick with a long nail in it. So it'll do that for you. So, hey, kitty. So we, yeah, they tried that a few different times, and it just didn't work. So they're gonna send the guy down here one of these days, and he's going to take a look at the box or whatever to see what the heck's the problem, because we're not getting our basic channels. And he says that our basic channels would be on the same channel as they were before, just for our basic cable shit, and we're not getting any of that. So yeah, this is how I get this up there. And I lost it this time. And this thing here I just made totally by accident. I was making it for something else, and come to find out, it worked pretty good to get extension cords up to where I want them. So that's about where I want it, I guess. Now if we can pull it without it slipping. I'm still gonna have to pull it tight by hand anyway to get the slack out of the line. So yeah, we got a guy coming for that. Maybe I should back up. Would it be easier maybe if I went this way with it? I never tried it this way. Oh, we're on a slant. That's not good. Let's see here. Oh, I don't like this too much, boys. That's why in my book it would be so much easier to just bury it. Hands are freezing already. So, and I got a metal wire that's got to go on the end there where it's hooked up to the house. I got to put a piece of wire up there yet to take the extra slack out of the line. So, ouch. God damn it. How am I going to do this now? I may just have to let it go, I think, for now, until I can get this all situated to my liking. So, how to do this now, I don't know, because I've never had it on this branch, I don't think. We can go on this branch right here. I guess it's just as good. And this is just to keep it from falling out of the tree. So it won't fall out of my tree, because it's done that a few times before and I got fed up with it, so I just started clamping it to the branch itself, and it's worked out pretty good. Okay. And so we'll get this snug enough to where I can still slide my wire through. I hope that guy in the ATV's not coming over here. There's been a guy working over this neighbor's house. And I think he is. Freak's sakes, I'm videotaping, man. He had to come now. Well, hopefully he won't mind the camera on his face, because I'm not going to stop videotaping. That might actually be too tight. I usually wear gloves when I'm doing this. Just because it's so freaking cold out. I got this too tight now. Go effing figure, right? And it's been a bad day. Our one cat came back. Well, he's been in the house for about a month now. He was an outdoor cat for quite some time, and he I don't know what happened to him. He just all of a sudden got real sick, and he died last night, I think around 4:30 or something. So, you know, I mean, he was a 15-year-old cat. You know, from what Mom says, he's 15 years old. I don't think he's that freaking old. He can't be. But he was, he started sleeping quite a bit when he was in the house, which is normal for a cat to be doing, sleeping quite a bit. And, oh, I got too much slack in the freaking line. Fuck's sake. And, God, it's just so bloody cold out. I can't do anything with freaking freezing cold hands. And it is pulling the branch too a little bit. Well, actually what I could do is I could pull it there. Yeah, and I could just pull that branch back then. Stretch the branch out a little bit. But that guy over there, he bought that house over there, and he's over here working on this guy's yard now. Which is what I not wanted, because I wanted to do this today and freaking videotape. Because I don't think you guys have ever seen how I've done this. I mean, you've seen it, how I've had it, but so I guess she's gonna freaking do that and get in my freaking way. So yeah, I think I could just pull that branch right over it, and that should pull it straighter than what it needs to be. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna head in for a minute and wire my hands up, and then I'm gonna let this neighbor here do his thing quick, and then I'll get back to you. So 1 minute. Okay, so I think I might be on a low branch. I don't think I'm supposed to be on that one. I think I'm supposed to be up one more, but when I look, I don't see it, so it's way up there then. But I'm gonna try it on this one here. And I didn't grab my electrical tape. That's probably all freaking wet as snot anyway. So the guy's over there working in that stupid building there. So I'm getting shit done. I'm not gonna wait around for someone else to decide on what to do. So yeah, maybe I'll go grab some electrical tape and just right around that a few times to protect it, and then I'll put my line up there, I guess. So let me go grab my electrical tape here quick.